Change birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you cannot directly change your birthday on Snapchat after you have least reached the number of times or the limit that you can change it. So for alternative, go to Snapchat support, scroll down and then go to contact us. After that, simply select any one of these reason and then you will need to find this request. Simply submit a form and then all you have to do is write them a mail saying that you accidentally changed your birthday to your wrong birthday and you want to change it and correct it, and the rest is on their Snapchat support center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.